Welcome back to John Cleese Cardio. My name is Max. I'm going to give you a brief run through the product that we've just fitted onto this Tesla Model S. This product is called the Target Blu Eye 2. Now, Target Blu Eye, if you haven't heard of it already, is an emergency services vehicle detection system. Emergency service vehicles including marked police cars, unmarked police cars, fire and ambulance. If any of those vehicles have a person inside them with a radio which is running the tetra radio signal. The tetra radio signal is what is picked up by this system, which will give you early warnings of any emergency service vehicles nearby. Now, this Target Blu Eye 2, which is the latest edition, will actually be equipped to work with the later GSM based system that the police and the emergency service will be rolling out in the foreseeable future. So this covers both of those aspects. Now, this particular installation, we've done installations where we've put it into the mirror. You've got installations where we've done fibre optic. This particular installation is actually using their LCD display. So the LCD display gives you a little bit more information. You can see the exact whereabouts of up to 3 emergency service vehicles. And if you jump in the car now, I'm going to give you a little bit of a run through it. Let's go. We are now inside the interior of the Tesla Model S. I'm now sat in the driving position. Now, on the side here is the display which we have fitted into this vehicle. So I'm just going to zoom in. This is your Target Blu Eye LCD display. This is a fantastic location. You can see it nice and clearly. We've actually 3D printed a little wedge mount just to bring this display a bit more on an upright angle, because there was quite a bit of glare from the driver's view beforehand. Now with a little 3D bracket we just quickly printed, it gives it the optimal view for the Target Blu Eye system. So yeah, that looks very nice and neat. This is your main display that you'll be looking at the majority of the time. There's 3 bars along here, so that represents each emergency service vehicle nearby. You're never going to know if it's a police or a fire engine. You're just going to have to use your eyes and have a look. So this will basically light up. Hopefully an emergency service vehicle comes nearby to me in the area to give us a bit of an idea on what happens. But the kind of the gist is that this will light up, and the display will light up green in the first few bars, then yellow, and then red. And as you go up from green, yellow to red, that means that vehicle is getting closer and closer to you. Red basically meaning that they're on your tail. So the 3 bars is 3 individual police cars can be detected, or emergency service vehicles, which is actually a really nice feature on the latest Target Blu Eye 2. And this particular feature where you can tell each vehicle is actually only available on this LCD display. On the LED Target Blu Eye 2 system, it will give you 1 reading of sensitivity and tell you if there is up to 3 cars by having 3 little white lights. I like this display because it individually tells you where each 3 of the vehicles are. So from this display, you can give it a quick tap if you want to mute it. It gives you a status of the blue eye, which is a blue eye in the top left. If that went red, there's some sort of issue. We can just see there's a little green light that's just lighting up at the bottom there. That's indicating that there's something nearby. Now, it didn't beep because we just got it on the first screen, so it's not going to alert us unless that gets a little bit closer. So just tapping onto the side, we've got the sensitivity adjustment here. You can turn it down to make it even more sensitive, or you turn it up to make it less sensitive. So click on that side again, we'll take you back out. You can adjust some settings. You've got volume and brightness on here, and installer mode. You got some information on the version, restore settings, and even a manual turn off. But yeah, generally you're going to be on this screen the majority of the time. This is your main Target Blu Eye display where you'll look out for any readings. That will light up to tell you if there's any emergency service vehicles nearby. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem that during this demonstration there is much around at the moment, and I don't really have any time to take this vehicle out and hunt them down because customers in the shop, and he's going to be driving back up north to take away this vehicle. He travelled quite a distance to get down there, but he had the Target Blu Eye 1 fitted, and with his new car he was looking to take it to the next stage and have the later Target Blu Eye 2 fitted. But yeah, he's really happy with the installation. I've just taken him through it. That's the perfect position for the display. He can see that perfectly from his driver's seat. Thanks for watching this brief video from John, Police Car Audio and Target Blu Eye 2. If you've got any other questions about this product, do get in contact via any of the links in our description. We can add this product to any vehicle, no matter how fast or slow it may be. We also added a ThinkWare dash camera to this vehicle to give some ideas of where all the fixed speed cameras are. But that's pretty much everything. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.